Power on and connect. Got your new Noise Vibe Bluetooth speaker? Before we set up, make sure your Vibe Bluetooth speaker and smartphone are next to each other. Done? Let's start. Power on. To turn the Noise Vibe on, long press the power button for 4 seconds. Vibe will automatically turn itself off after 10 minutes of inactivity to save battery life. Power off. To turn the Noise Vibe off, long press the power button for 4 seconds. Pairing. Turn the speaker on. The blinking blue LED indicates that the speaker is in pairing mode. Turn on the Bluetooth of your device and open the Bluetooth menu. Search for Vibe in the list of devices and select to pair. Your Vibe is now paired and ready to use. Disconnect. To disconnect the Bluetooth, long press the play-pause button. Charging. Charge the speaker via the USB cable provided with the packaging. Plug the USB cable to the micro USB port of the speaker. The red LED indicates charging, while the green LED indicates that the speaker is fully charged. Modes. Noise Vibe Bluetooth speaker comes with various modes that let you enjoy music just the way you like it. You can change or shuffle between different modes by short pressing the power button. TWS mode. The TWS mode connects two Noise Vibe speakers together to give you the stereo sound effect. Turn on both the speakers. Make sure that no device is paired with either speaker. Press the plus and minus button together on one of the speakers until the blue LED blinks, indicating that the speaker is in pairing mode. Once the speakers are successfully connected with each other, the master speaker will blink blue, and the slave speaker will have purple LED constantly on. Now turn your device's Bluetooth on. Search for Vibe and select to pair. To exit the TWS mode, press the plus and minus buttons together on one of the speakers. Auxiliary mode. Plug the 3.5mm audio cable into the aux port or short press the power button to switch to aux mode. Note: flashing green LED indicates the aux mode. TF card mode. Insert T flash card in the port or short press power button to switch to TF card mode. Note: the flashing green LED indicates the memory card mode. FM radio mode. Short press the power button to switch to FM mode. The flashing purple LED indicates the FM mode. To scan FM stations, long press the play-pause button. You can insert the aux cable as an external antenna to enhance the FM signal. Music control. To play-pause music, short press the play-pause button. To go back to the previous track, long press the minus button. To go to the next song, long press the plus button. Volume control. To increase the volume, short press the plus button. To decrease the volume, short press the minus button. Call controls and voice assistant. Answer and call. To answer or end calls, short press the play-pause button. To reject an incoming call, long press the play-pause button. Activate voice assistant. To activate your preferred voice assistant, double press the play-pause button. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.